First of all, as a kind of accessories in clothing, it is indispensable in the daily collocation. A good jewelry will become the highlight of the whole collocation. The bracelet is small, exquisite and varied. There are many ways to wear it. It can also enrich your daily wear. What kinds of bracelets are there? Bracelets are made of metal, leather, wood, cloth, jade and other jewelry. How do you know what size you should buy? Wrist is a more meticulous part of the body. With the movement of the hand, it is easy to guide the eyes of others and attract attention while affecting the impression of others on you. The length of the bracelet is about 20 to 25 centimeters, and the size of the bracelet should be mastered when wearing it. Too tight will affect the beauty and comfort, too loose, and will slide to the hand. Therefore, the bracelet length is based on the chain and wrist left a finger gap after wearing on the wrist. According to their own body shape, girls can choose beads with a diameter of 4 mm to 8 mm. If it wrap around your hand a few laps, you can choose a smaller 3 mm to 5 mm. If it is a single lap, you can choose 5 mm to 8 mm. Small girls can choose 8 mm, taller girls will like 12 mm. Mix and match does not only exist in clothing matching. Accessory bracelets can also be mixed with bracelets of different materials, such as bracelets, fabrics and leather metals. Mixing is to show the temperament of fashion in disorder. The effect is often more fashionable. Bracelet mixed watch. The bracelet is delicate, the watch is steady and elegant, and the bracelet and the watch are stacked together to form a very good and vital decoration. See more fashion bloggers, celebrities street show, wrist style is always so chic, stacked matching technology is skillful. Pearl bracelet and wristwatch matching is appropriate. The watch gives people a hard and serious temperament. Pearl bracelet is girlish, the temperament is gentle. The mixture of the two temperaments let people feel not too soft and not too rigid, just right. Braided rope mixed bracelet. When you mix bracelets with knitting ropes, you will find that a ribbon tied to your wrist is particularly popular in recent years, and a shiny bracelet is absolutely perfect. Wrap bracelet itself has many different styles, such as braided jewelry and wrapped jewelry. You have many choices, and you can also make your own DIY, freely changing leather and bead, so that your shape is more changeable. The combination of braided cord and bracelet is not as hard as a wristwatch, giving the wrist a soft temperament, giving the impression that this is just like what a girl should wear. Bracelets mixed with leather and metal. Besides matching watches and printed fabrics, there are many matching materials such as leather bracelets and metal rings. Genuine leather bracelets give people crazy temperament, metal bracelets make people feel very metal. Although the bracelet is an indispensable accessory in life, it is also the best choice for gifts.